With this feeling, I can leave. I'm walking and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it over and walk by my side? Do you see the love? Do you hear it's cold? Do you want a part of me? Just get me above now. Just get me above now.
So our resort's name is Lexmin Resort and Event Place, and yes, welcome. Because as of now, we are still under construction and we're still on our soft opening. So we were open December 26th. One of our family friends forced us to open for them. So yeah, so
Well, surprise.
that will be our mini bar soon.
Oh.
Yes, mini bar. So it's just temporary.
So before we have the tour, let's talk about the fees first, in case.
Okay, sure.
Instead.
So, entrance fee is 200 pesos per head. That is for the adult. So, you can use the pool already in your 200 pesos and the resort. I mean, and the beach, as well as the table tennis.
Not permitted.
Yes, we have table tennis. And for the kids,
Kids.
10 years old below is 150.
Okay.
Yes. And for 2 years old below, kids 2 years old below is free.
Free. Okay.
Yes. Yes, they will see our restaurant. Soon to open restaurant.
Soon to open.
Yes, and we're still constructing it. So we are expecting to open it after probably 2 months.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's around
Soon.
August.
And then after that, when you eat there, you will have a wonderful view of our infinity pool.
This is the pool, guys.
Yes, that is our pool and the beach for the sea.
Look at the view.
And actually, that island over there is Bohol Island.
That's Bohol.
Yeah, so it's just
I thought it was Negros.
Negros is
The
located
other
on the
side.
west, yes, at the other side. And our pool is divided into 2 heights. So this one,
Okay.
yes, the right side is 6 feet.
6 feet
Yeah,
and
6 feet. And this one is 3 feet for the kids.
okay.
Yes, and for those who do not know how to swim, they can use the 3
There's
feet.
just a line in between.
Yes.
A line or really divider?
Just yes, not a divider, just a
Tiles.
line. Yes, tiles.
This
One is the function hall. Soon our function
is it
hall.
already available for use?
Actually, we accept for use if they would like to use it, even if it's not yet furnished. So we can accept. But as of now, we do not have a lot of bookings. If there are large events, they would just use the area or the ground.
How much would it cost to book an event here?
Actually, it depends. It depends with how many hours. So for 100 packs and per hour is 2,500.
2.5 per hour, 100 packs.
Yes, 100 packs.
So, do they have to pay entrance? Wala na.
Wala na.
Wow. An inflatable pool
Yes,
over
water
there
park.
for kids. Water park for kids.
Yes.
Okay.
And soon, we will have our rooms behind this white wall or fencing.
So, soon.
Yes, soon.
Guys.
Yes, so babalik mo
Mag-room
yun.
tour.
And this will be the entrance of the pool. Yes, you go there.
Can
and
I
then,
check your pool?
Yeah, sure. And then you will have the shower here. So just,
So you'll be placing a shower here.
actually, it's already here.
Ano, okay.
So you can open like this one.
There's a shower, guys.
That's obvious. Yes.
Sige, so when you enter the pool area, shower mo first. Ako na!
Yeah.
goes down. Driving lights in the
So this is our boardwalk going to
The famous boardwalk.
Yes, the famous.
So this is their walkway.
Actually,
boardwalk.
our original plan is to make that cottage a restaurant. But our guests are really want to stay
so
there, exclusive
exclusive.
rather, and yes, so that's why we didn't continue it to become a restaurant. Maybe soon when we have branches already, because the owner is planning to make another branch.
Wow!
Yes, for like cottages over here.
Like
Side.
same ingani, lain na po.
Oh, mag-branch na sad siya sa
Oh.
kilid.
Oh, nindot.
Kailangan kay guests na mag-ilog dito sa
Oh, so kung depende ras makauna.
For weekends, we cannot offer it for exclusive views.
Shared.
Yes, only per table.
Weekends, it's open to the public.
Yes,
But
and
for weekdays, you can have it exclusive.
Exclusive. Yes,
Okay.
it depends on your.
So if exclusive nila, pila may ilang bayron nun?
1,000. That is not inclusive with the entrance fee.
Entrance.
Yes, so
So
1,000
it's separate.
only for the cottage.
Just for the venue.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, at night time we have a wonderful lights here. Kay matawag ng lights.
Colored.
Colored. So nice kay ang view dito.
Daghang corals.
Oh, dahil kaya dito mga 3 meters. Ato agi dito mga bangkoan.
Kaya dito ko, sagbot ra puros.
Dagan diri diha.
Careful, kiddy.
Exercise lang nimo.
Sige. Taas gyud siya lakawon.
Mag-video siya kadyo ma. Sa kuan lang sa view lang dire ba.
May hapon. Sige, di ko na. Ila-ila ko sa mga isda. Charot. Ano ay 4 tables.
So ano siya ang diving kuan?
Layat jud eh.
2.0 nga tayo.
Anay hagdanan.
Oh,
Okay na.
temporary nga stairs pala siya.
Okay.
So, kung mabot siya og kuan 2.0 ang time mas taas pa gyud siya ani. Mga 10 feet guro or 11 feet ang tide if. And upon the school of fish dagan ipita na to.
Sige, mag-video.
So view of the whole island. You can grill sad.
Anak we grill.
Okay. Hello guys, good afternoon. Thank you for watching Margrette Vlogs and her vlog here in our resort. So we invite you to visit our resort as soon as you can so that you can take a lot of Instagrammable pictures and videos. And we also invite you to like and subscribe to Margrette Vlogs because she has a wonderful content in her YouTube channel.
Oh, and by the way,
yes.
can they walk in or do it?
Yes, for walk-in. They can walk in. We accept walk-in, but we cannot guarantee availability, especially on weekends. So we recommend them to book ahead of time, especially if they book on weekends and holidays. But for weekdays, they can do walk-in.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so
we accept.
much.
Yes, thank you.
Don't forget to like and follow Lexmin Resort.
Yes, our Facebook page is Lexmin Resort and Event Place.
O kana na siyang naong kanang.
Yes, this one. This one. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
fishes here underneath their cottage here in the boardwalk. So guys, you must try this out for those free divers over there. Guys, if nananaw mo, nindot kayo siya dito i-try. I would have stayed longer if I was with a free diver, but of course my son, dili pa kayo siya train. But there's a place there na dark na kayo siya, and I'm pretty sure na it went a lot deeper na, so it's really good for free diving. So don't forget to visit Lexmin Resort here in Argao. I think it's in Bulasa. So auto ba pronounce, pero unahan na siya sa Binlod kasi ilang mo yan na pag Sunday, it's just a few meters away from the Lexmin Resort. So guys, once again, they have a Facebook page. You can just message them to book on weekends and holidays, but they accept walk-ins during weekdays. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. My name once again is Margrette, and we're here at Lexmin Resort, just in front of Bohol Island. So see you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my Facebook page, and also tap on that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Bye, lovies. See you in my next vlog.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.